Washing. Sana is washing her favorite coffee mug.
Washing. Sana is washing her favorite coffee mug.
Vacuuming. Sana is vacuuming under the couch cushions.
Vacuuming. Sana is vacuuming under the couch cushions.
Making. Sana is making a delicious smoothie for breakfast.
Making. Sana is making a delicious smoothie for breakfast.
Folding. Sana is folding the freshly washed towels.
Folding. Sana is folding the freshly washed towels.
Refilling. Sana is refilling the bird feeder.
Refilling. Sana is refilling the bird feeder.
Painting. Sana is painting a landscape on canvas.
Painting. Sana is painting a landscape on canvas.
Dusting. Sana is dusting the shelves in her bedroom.
Dusting. Sana is dusting the shelves in her bedroom.
Watering. Sana is watering the indoor plants.
Watering. Sana is watering the indoor plants.
Sweeping. Sana is sweeping the front porch.
Sweeping. Sana is sweeping the front porch.
Mopping. Sana is mopping the kitchen floor.
Mopping. Sana is mopping the kitchen floor.
Cooking. Sana is cooking a big meal for her friends.
Cooking. Sana is cooking a big meal for her friends.
Baking. Sana is baking a loaf of bread.
Baking. Sana is baking a loaf of bread.
Feeding. Sana is feeding the cats in the living room.
Feeding. Sana is feeding the cats in the living room.
Ironing. Sana is ironing her dress for the party.
Ironing. Sana is ironing her dress for the party.
Changing. Sana is changing the baby's diaper.
Changing. Sana is changing the baby's diaper.
Organizing. Sana is organizing the spices in the pantry.
Organizing. Sana is organizing the spices in the pantry.
Cleaning. Sana is cleaning the car's interior.
Cleaning. Sana is cleaning the car's interior.
Taking out. Sana is taking out the recycling.
Taking out. Sana is taking out the recycling.
Polishing. Sana is polishing the silverware.
Polishing. Sana is polishing the silverware.
Preparing. Sana is preparing a presentation for work.
Preparing. Sana is preparing a presentation for work.
Tidying up. Sana is tidying up her workspace.
Tidying up. Sana is tidying up her workspace.
Putting away. Sana is putting away the holiday decorations.
Putting away. Sana is putting away the holiday decorations.
Sewing. Sana is sewing a patch on her jeans.
Sewing. Sana is sewing a patch on her jeans.
Wiping down. Sana is wiping down the bathroom sink.
Wiping down. Sana is wiping down the bathroom sink.
Sorting. Sana is sorting through old photos.
Sorting. Sana is sorting through old photos.
Emptying. Sana is emptying the trash can.
Emptying. Sana is emptying the trash can.
Setting. Sana is setting up the tent for camping.
Setting. Sana is setting up the tent for camping.
Checking. Sana is checking her emails before bed.
Checking. Sana is checking her emails before bed.
Trimming. Sana is trimming her bangs in the bathroom.
Trimming. Sana is trimming her bangs in the bathroom.
Raking. Sana is raking the yard after the storm.
Raking. Sana is raking the yard after the storm.
Scrubbing. Sana is scrubbing the kitchen tiles.
Scrubbing. Sana is scrubbing the kitchen tiles.
Wiping. Sana is wiping the dining table.
Wiping. Sana is wiping the dining table.
Fluffing. Sana is fluffing the guest room pillows.
Fluffing. Sana is fluffing the guest room pillows.
Replacing. Sana is replacing the batteries in the clock.
Replacing. Sana is replacing the batteries in the clock.
Knitting. Sana is knitting a blanket for her friend.
Knitting. Sana is knitting a blanket for her friend.
Arranging. Sana is arranging her books by color. Arranging. Sana is arranging her books by color. Fixing. Sana is fixing the broken chair.
Fixing. Sana is fixing the broken chair.
Brushing. Sana is brushing the dog's fur.
Brushing. Sana is brushing the dog's fur.
Drying. Sana is drying the dishes after washing them.
Drying. Sana is drying the dishes after washing them.
Combing. Sana is combing her hair before leaving.
Combing. Sana is combing her hair before leaving.
Hanging up. Sana is hanging up her favorite painting.
Hanging up. Sana is hanging up her favorite painting.
Planning. Sana is planning a surprise party.
Planning. Sana is planning a surprise party.
Sharing. Sana is sharing her chores list with her roommate.
Sharing. Sana is sharing her chores list with her roommate.
Watching. Sana is watching a documentary in the evening.
Watching. Sana is watching a documentary in the evening.
Playing. Sana is playing board games with her family.
Playing. Sana is playing board games with her family.
Reading. Sana is reading the latest bestseller.
Reading. Sana is reading the latest bestseller.
Relaxing. Sana is relaxing in the hammock after gardening.
Relaxing. Sana is relaxing in the hammock after gardening.